In this video, we listed the top 5 best USB-C hub HDMI multiport adapter that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I try to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. BENFEI 6-in-1 USB-C hub HDMI multiport adapter. The BENFEI USB-C hub is a compact and powerful multiport adapter featuring 4K at 60 Hz HDMI output, 100W power delivery charging, gigabit Ethernet, 2 USB 3.0 ports, and a USB-C data port for fast connectivity and smooth multitasking. Designed with a durable silicone-woven cable and lightweight portable build, it delivers stable internet, high-speed 5 gigabits per second data transfer, and crystal-clear display support for laptops, tablets, and smartphones. Compatible with MacBook, Dell XPS, Surface, Chromebook, Samsung Galaxy devices, and more, this plug-and-play hub is ideal for work, travel, and everyday productivity. Number 2. UGREEN Uno 6-in-1 USB-C hub HDMI multiport adapter. The UGREEN 6-in-1 USB-C hub is a stylish and high-performance multiport adapter designed to expand the functionality of modern USB-C laptops and devices. Featuring a compact aluminum body with a unique, groovy robot-inspired design and smart status emoji indicators, this hub combines premium aesthetics with powerful everyday performance. It includes a 4K at 60 Hz HDMI port for ultra-clear external display output, dual 10 gigabits per second USB-A 3.2 ports, dual 10 gigabits per second USB-C data ports, and a 100W power delivery charging port for efficient multitasking and device connectivity. With blazing fast transfer speeds up to 10 gigabits per second, users can quickly move large files, videos, and photos within seconds, making it ideal for content creators, office professionals, and students. The HDMI output supports stunning 4K resolution at 60 Hz, delivering smooth and detailed visuals for monitors, TVs, and projectors. Supporting up to 85W pass-through charging, the hub keeps laptops and connected devices powered during heavy workloads. Compatible with Windows, Mac OS, and Linux systems, as well as devices like MacBook Pro, MacBook Air, iPad Pro, Surface, Chromebook, Dell XPS, ThinkPad, iPhone 15, and Samsung Galaxy devices, the UGREEN 6-in-1 USB-C hub offers reliable plug-and-play convenience in a sleek, portable design perfect for work, travel, and entertainment. Number 3. UANTIN USB-C hub 7-in-1 HDMI multiport adapter. The UANTIN 7-in-1 USB-C hub is a compact and efficient multiport adapter designed to expand the connectivity of modern laptops, tablets, and smartphones with ease. Featuring 7 essential ports, including a 4K HDMI output, 3 USB-A ports, SD/TF card reader slots, and a 100W USB-C power delivery port. This hub provides a complete all-in-one solution for productivity, entertainment, and everyday multitasking. The HDMI port supports crystal-clear 4K at 30 Hz video output and smooth 1080p at 120 Hz refresh rates, allowing users to mirror or extend displays to monitors, TVs, and projectors for an immersive viewing experience. Equipped with USB 3.0 ports offering transfer speeds up to 5 gigabits per second, the hub ensures fast and reliable file transfers, while the USB 2.0 port is ideal for keyboards, mice, and other peripherals. Built with a durable aluminum enclosure and lightweight portable design, the UANTIN hub is perfect for office work, travel, gaming setups, and creative professionals. Compatible with a wide range of devices including MacBook, Dell XPS, Lenovo Yoga, Surface devices, iPad Pro, Samsung Galaxy, Steam Deck, and Asus ROG Ally. This plug-and-play hub delivers powerful performance and versatile connectivity without requiring drivers or complicated setup. Number 4. BENFEI USB-C hub 5-in-1 HDMI multiport adapter. The BENFEI USB-C hub is a compact and powerful multiport adapter designed to enhance productivity and connectivity for laptops, tablets, and smartphones. Featuring a sleek silicone woven cable design with exceptional flexibility and durability, this portable hub combines style with everyday practicality. It includes a 4K HDMI output, 100W USB-C power delivery charging port, one high-speed USB 3.2 port with up to 10 gigabits per second transfer speeds, and two USB 2.0 ports for peripherals like keyboards and mice. The HDMI port supports stunning 4K at 30 Hz video output, allowing users to mirror or extend displays to monitors, projectors, and TVs with ultra-clear visuals. Designed for seamless plug-and-play functionality, the BENFEI Hub is compatible with a wide range of USB-C devices including MacBook, Dell XPS, Surface, Lenovo ThinkPad, Samsung Galaxy devices, Huawei MateBook, Asus laptops, and many more. Its ultra-soft 20cm cable is engineered for over 25,000 bend cycles, ensuring long-lasting reliability for travel, office work, and remote setups. With efficient power delivery, fast data transfer, and broad device compatibility, the BENFEI USB-C Hub is an ideal all-in-one solution for modern mobile workstations and entertainment needs. Number 5. USB-C Hub, Acodot 9-in-1 HDMI Multiport Adapter. The Acodot 9-in-1 USB-C Hub is a versatile and powerful multiport adapter designed to expand the connectivity of modern USB-C laptops, tablets, and smartphones. Featuring 9 essential ports, including a 4K at 60 Hz HDMI output, 3 USB 3.0 ports, 2 USB 2.0 ports, SD/TF card readers, and a 100W power delivery charging port. This compact hub transforms a single USB-C connection into a complete workstation solution. The HDMI port supports ultra-high-definition video output for connecting monitors, projectors, and HD TVs, making it ideal for office work, presentations, gaming, and entertainment. With USB 3.0 transfer speeds up to 5 gigabits per second, users can quickly transfer files, photos, and videos within seconds. Compatible with a wide range of devices including MacBook Pro, iPad Pro, Dell, Lenovo, Samsung, Huawei, and other USB-C devices supporting DP Alt mode, the Acodot Hub offers reliable plug-and-play functionality without requiring drivers or software installation. Its lightweight and portable design makes it perfect for travel, remote work, and everyday productivity, while the 100W PD charging support ensures your devices stay powered during heavy multitasking.